In this video, let's see another numerical problem based on inverse trigonometric functions. We have already seen many videos, understood many concepts and have also practiced some numerical problems. This is also another numerical problem. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with the solution. The question is, if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to pi by 4 and my xy is less than 1, find the value of x plus y plus xy. Now one thing is very important. After seeing this question, you come to know that the formula would apply of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which we already know. But there are three formulas. Which formula to apply will be understood by this condition. Which condition? Xy less than 1. Now for those who have watched my previous videos, they know that the three formulas, all these have different conditions and hence the value changes. So for xy less than 1, what formula we are going to use? Let's see the solution. I put the heading solution and let's get started now. It becomes tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is what? Which is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. That is the formula we are going to use because it is not the case of xy greater than 1 or something else. Is equal to pi by 4 will come as it is. So I write is equal to pi by 4. Now here it is tan inverse. When it goes to the other side, it becomes what? It becomes tan. So it is x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equal to tan pi by 4. Right. Now x plus y upon 1 minus xy remains as it is. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 means tan 45 degrees. What is tan 45 degrees? It is only and only 1. So my question changes to x plus y upon 1 minus xy, which is as it is equal to 1. What value are we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the value of x plus y plus xy, which is x plus y in the numerator, xy in the denominator. Let's manipulate the question a bit. Let's cross multiply the things. So x plus y remains as it is. 1 minus xy of the denominator goes upside. It becomes 1 minus xy. Now minus xy in the right hand side will come to the left hand side to become something in positive. So it becomes x plus y plus xy is equal to 1. Now what were we supposed to find out? We were supposed to find out x plus y plus xy, which we already have got as 1. So that means my answer to this question is 1. So in this video we saw a numerical problem based on the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, condition being given that my xy is less than 1.